During the marking phase of my design process, I marked where I was going to put some ghost quilting. If you're new here, make sure to go check out my ghost quilting series. The first video featuring a guitar has all the pertinent information, but the other videos are pretty fun to watch. I started by using my 4-inch round ruler to stitch out a circle. And then I filled that circle with some holly berries and leaves. And then I broke thread and stitched an echo around that circle so the filler background design doesn't overtake the holly.